The nature, including all living and non-living things, has been created with an outstanding extent and balance. Environmental pollution has arisen as a result of the impairment of nature with the quickly developing industrialization and urbanization. In the management of the wastes listed on top of the environmental problems in line with developing and crowded cities, a brand new understanding, including waste prevention, reusing, recycling, recovery, and disposal, is arising. Integrated waste management. Started its operations in 1994 as an affiliate of Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality, Istaç Incorporated carries out its efforts and perfectionist approaches for a carefully prepared future projection and long-term designs, as well as the protection of natural resources. Taking zero-impact approach as a principle for environment, istaç produces original solutions for a livable future. In addition to the exemplary applications brought into Turkey, istaç also contributes for creating an awareness of waste management and environment with the congresses, symposiums, and trainings it organizes every year. Operating recovery and compost facilities, the biggest of Turkey and among the biggest ones of the world, istaç recovers the organic wastes within the municipal wastes and returns them back to the nature. In addition to improving the physical structure of the soil, compost increases the quality value of the product and is used at the parks and gardens in Istanbul. Non-organic recyclable wastes are subjected to physical and chemical treatments and then converted into pet flakes and granules and recycled into the production chain as secondary raw material. The wastes that are not possible to be recycled are treated at the refuse-derived fuel facilities in the Asian and European sides of Istanbul, converted into RDF and SRF products with calorific value and used as alternative fuel in cement factories. Adopting an integral approach in environmental management and producing original solutions, our organization establishes and operates sanitary landfill areas. Electrical energy is produced from the landfill gas at sanitary landfill areas, while the electrical needs of the metropolitan cities is met and the atmosphere and environment is protected. At the leachate treatment facilities, which are first in Turkey, the leachate arising from the fill of the wastes are treated and rendered harmless with membrane bioreactor and nanofiltration technology and released back to the environment in clean form. Industrial wastes, one of the biggest threats for the nature, are collected by expert personnel and safely disposed. The medical wastes, collected safely from the medical institutions by professional teams, are disposed at incineration and sterilization facilities. Thus, environmental health is safely protected. Excavation wastes, one of the most important problems of the metropolitan cities, are used for the rehabilitation of old and ruined pits. Our company recovers these areas into their former topography and then reforested and brought back into the nature. The construction and demolition wastes arising from urban transformation, renovation, and repairing are recycled to infrastructure materials in different sizes at recycling facilities and brought back into the economy. The petroleum product wastes, such as bilge, slop, and sludge, taken from the ships passing through Istanbul Bosphorus, are treated and recycled in international standards. Thus, any pollution in the seas is prevented. The main arterial roads, squares, and parks of Istanbul, a world city, are professionally cleaned for 24 hours a day with the strong mechanical infrastructure and devoted personnel of istaç. All shoreline, coasts, beaches, and sea level of 515 kilometers of Istanbul, the cradle of civilizations with its historical fabric, are cleaned with state-of-art equipment, and the cleanliness of the sea is kept under control on the other hand. The Environmental Control Center monitors and manages the waste logistics with global positioning system, GPS, and environmental pollution and illegal disposal violations are minimized. Solid waste, water, and wastewater analyses needed by the industry are carried out with high quality, neutrally and confidentially by the expert personnel at the environmental laboratory by using state-of-the-art equipment. Our company has an expert engineer staff evaluating environmental problems in every aspect and shares its experience and knowledge with local and foreign state institutions and organizations through its consultancy projects. istaç offers result-oriented solutions for local administrations in Turkey and the world with its technical knowledge and technological infrastructure, as well as its innovative and dynamic staff devoted themselves to environment. We serve to the next generations with the principle on a sustainable environment quality today as in the past. istaç, we are in your environment.